Hey, welcome to another unboxing video. Here we've got another order from Heirloom Roses .com, and what we've got today, let's see what we got today here. Let's see, try to cut this here and here, and okay, we've got, you can see the packaging right here. Here we go. All right, now we've got, these are actually two Hellebore. We got another Hellebore here, and we have a climbing rose right there. So let's carefully lift everything out here. This is the way it's packaged from heirloomroses.com. Now let's see what we got here. Now here is one Hellebore. This is actually called Wedding Party. All right, and here are two of these guys. These are this one is called Frostkiss Hellebore. You can see the beautiful blossoms on there. And I got two of these here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these out here. And the last one here, this is Purple Splash. This is another climbing rose that the last unboxing video that we did, we had 4th of July. So these are to go in my staging area out front before we plant them in the ground. Now, this one actually has a compostable bag here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of this bag and put it into a regular pot with a little bit of moisture control potting soil, and until it starts leafing out, and then I'm going to put that in the ground. So there you have it. This is an order from heirloomroses.com. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment below, any questions you might have, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.